I just arrived in Nepal. I just cleared the immigration. The visa on arrival was $50 for 30 days for me. No problem, very easy to clear. You just have to have cash, I believe, to pay. I just exited the international terminal. I am trying to go straight to Pokhara. It's a domestic flight, which is that direction. In order to get to the domestic terminal, you just have to exit the international terminal, make a right turn, and walk about 200 meters or so. And there's a free shuttle bus that takes you to the domestic terminal. I just arrived at the domestic terminal. I don't know where to buy the ticket, but I'll find out. I am flying Yeti Airlines. The cost was $99. Buddha Air was $106 at $325, so I decided to take an earlier flight. It's a prop engine, small plane. The flight time is 25 minutes from Kathmandu to Pokhara. The plane is very comfortable. The noise is actually not that bad at all. It's actually not much different than airplanes with a jet engine. I had a very pleasant flight to Pokhara. The weather is very pleasant. It's 28 degrees Celsius. A little hot actually. Warm, I should say. But very nice so far. Alright. Okay. The distance from the international airport to the lakeside is about 8 kilometers. I am at Zostel, Pokhara. This property is huge. Wow, this they have the main building here for guests, but you also have the stream, bridge, and this place to just chill out. Place to play games and just hang out. Wow, this is a beautiful looking hostel. I'm very impressed, and the price is 700 rupee per night in a dorm. Wow, it's a beautiful looking place. Look at this place. I ordered a Nepali beer. It's called Barasinghe, which means 12 horns. The price was 349 rupee. Okay, this is a chicken tikka masala, 395 rupees. Good morning, it's 7:15 a.m. and I have to say this must be the most beautiful hostel ground I've ever seen. Look at the scenery. Okay, I am standing on the northern edge of Pewatal, which is a Pewa lake. Beautiful here. And there are many hotels, guest houses, and bars and restaurants to cater to foreigners. Namaste.
Namaste.
Yeah. Did you catch anything? Did you catch fish?
Yes.
You did? Where? Where's fish? Where?
House. Tilapia.
Tilapia. Okay, I know tilapia. Okay. Such a beautiful place. Weather is very pleasant. The current temperature is 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Little warm. Like I said, it's pretty comfortable. It's not too humid. Many places to just sit and chill, drink, eat. I walked about 30 minutes to get to the lakeside center point. This place looks a little busier compared to where I stayed last night. A lot of shops, a lot of restaurants, a lot more people. This is mutton, bento lunch set. That's mutton, and this is dendo. Never had dendo before, but dendo is a staple in Nepali food. It's a staple meal in various parts of Nepal, especially Kathmandu in the hilly regions of Nepal, in the Sikkim and Darjeeling regions of India. I don't know what it's made out of, but it's a local food, so I'll give it a try. Okay, like this, huh? Oh. And then just like grab, like this. Okay. Oh yeah, thank you. Okay, it's very good. It's a lot harder than expected. I was expecting like a taste, but it's actually very good. Very interesting. Very interesting. I also ordered papaya smoothie for 300 rupees. I don't think I've had a papaya smoothie before. Papaya smoothie is very nice.